Tinubu and APC want to sign a law that been imposed by European Union LGBT. For you people who don't know the meaning of LGBT, I'm going to explain it for you in this video. They say that one people or group of people are organizing for protests which will kick off on 20. Igbo people have warned their people never to participate in any protest. We all will suffer inside this Nigeria. Don't be smart, you know. Would they get information? So IJELE is sick. As he posts, making sure the people made a jolly they go, say in the sick. Don't be smart, you know. They say IJELE the sick. We'll go find out how all this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barabas GC. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeniku Ezioku. The information where they reach our table now be Tinubu, Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC government is about to sign. Even today is supposed to be the day they will sign this bill of LGBT. For many people don't even know this abbreviation of this name. This means that lesbian is free to marry his fellow girl in Nigeria, and a gay man is free to marry man in Nigeria. And transgender, man can turn to a woman and woman can turn to a man. This is what this government is about to sign for Nigeria. And what is the consequences of this? When this thing is happening, like the way that the population of European is decreasing, they want the same thing to happen in Africa. So many African countries have rejected this. Some countries like Ghana and many other countries, Uganda and others, they have rejected this bill from European Union. And Nigeria, as a devilish country that it is, are about to sign this bill for this to be taking place in Nigeria. When people like Bobrisky are there, instead of them to get them arrested, and people like other of them are there, Jess Brown and are there. There's so many of them and they are promoting them. So this bill is about to sign in Nigeria, which is being 15th, if you have not signed already. So for you people who don't know the meaning of LGBT, this is the meaning: transgender, gay, and other sexual this thing will be taking place in Nigeria, legalized. So let's play the video for you to watch and hear how this thing is being going.
Representatives of the civil society of Nigeria have expressed their displeasure over the agreement between the European Union and the countries of African, Caribbean and Pacific Group of States known as EU-ACP Agreement to be signed on November the 15th. Chairman of the Human Rights Committee, Sonny Ekwosi, pointed out the consequences of nodding to such agreement, stating that it includes abrasive provisions that are unaligned with the philosophical, communal and religious values of Nigeria and its people. He added that the adoption of this agreement is a subtle inclusion of LGBTQ into Nigerian reality. He cited that the treaty gives no place to parliamentarians to thoroughly examine the treaty.
2 weeks ago, to hear that they are going to sign this agreement on the 15th of November 2023. And we are wondering what has happened. People who agreed, including Nigerian ministers and Nigerian parliamentarians who were there, and they said they were not going to sign. Now they have agreed to sign on the 15th of November, which is a few days from now. And we are saying, look, this cannot go because LGBT is illegal in Nigeria. There is what is called Safe-Sex Prohibition Act 2014, which was enacted during the government of administration of Jonathan. And that law is still there. Why should we not go ahead and sign a document that has to do with promotion of LGBT? It's completely unacceptable. And we should not sign. Nigeria should say no. Namibia has said no. Namibia has withdrawn. Namibia is not going to sign. Ghana has also said it's not going to sign. So why should Nigeria sign on the 15th of November? That is a few days from now. So we are saying, we are calling on the government. We are urging them, begging them not to sign. You know, the Nigerian Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Nigerian parliamentarians not to sign this document, because this document will lead us to our early grave, in the sense that when we sign, we are signing our death warrant.
How can you tell me that the European Union is going to decide for me, an African mother, a Nigerian mother, that they know better than I how to raise my children? That the European Union is going to tell my child that, oh, mommy, you don't know what you're saying, because that's what they want to teach our children. That our children can talk to us the way they want, they can go to school and be taught that it's okay for them to pleasure themselves. A 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, they didn't tell me about it. I read it. I saw that video on the World Health Organization website. It's right there for anybody who cares to go check it out. If you are a mother in Nigeria, you must not allow this thing that they want to do happen. Because if it happens, what is going to be the end result is that what is happening in Europe with the underpopulation, with the declining of their population, that is what we're going to have in Africa. You see, in Africa, we are burgeoning, we're growing, despite all the challenges that we have. If we allow this rule or this ACP treaty to come to pass, we are going to lose our children.
Welcome back, my people, as you have watched this video. Don't be smart, you know. For most of you do not know that most of the politicians in Nigeria are gay, and most of them are into other sexual set in Nigeria. Most of you people don't know, and this is what this government want to offer you people on top of this hardship that everybody is in. However, I want you to leave your own opinion and contribution regarding this video. What you have to tell this government, and make sure say that you share this video. Other people need to see it as well. Okay, my people, let's jump into the next ŁGBT news where we get for hand today. They say that that a group of people are planning protests, which will kick off on 20th November, and in this video that I'm going to play you, a lot of Igbo have make a lot of sense. They say that end of the protest will be the Igbo victim. Igbo will use, either they start locking their shop or they start targeting them. So they say that any Igbo that participated in this protest, that means you are not an Igbo. Since they have chosen they are born to rule and they want to take, they are the owner of this country, let everyone suffer whatever they see in that country. Don't be smart, you know. So I'm going to play the video where this guy is talking about the protest, and for you to watch before we come back and drop into the next ŁGBT news where we'll get for hand.
On the 20th of this month, everybody, Nigeria, they shut down. Anywhere for this country where you dey, anywhere, wanna come out, because we don't go dey here, but let these people kill us finish before we go wake up. Waiting on the fear, waiting on the fear. Are you living any good life now? Like, oh my God, fuel now, fuel 6 something. We don't even get them back. Now you know the style. We say now when they withdraw fuel, they go come bring them at a very high price. We go say, after all, we even there now to buy. This time we know the grain it where go be make it big. On the 20th, if you don't come out, that one I used to be anybody don't come out say they can't complain. This one that. Let's shut down Nigeria as it go be. Me like this, so my team and everybody we dey back. Anywhere go be. But just know something: no stealing, no destruction of government properties. We are going out with our flag, with our everything for peaceful demonstration, and nothing, nobody get any right to stop us. Police, soldiers, abeg, just like how Aisha talk, say we are going for peaceful protest, and nobody should turn it to a violence, because we are also ready for the violence protest. If the security agent push us by killing anybody, we are not going to destroy, we are not going to do any evil. We are going there to show to the world that we are not happy with what is happening in the country, and so it shall be. So all Nigerians, all the youth, if you know that you are touched, look at what happened in Kogi, look at what happened in Imo, look at what happened in Bayelsa, and everybody is still sitting that now Mumu will be. Which kind of country be this? Which kind of country be this?
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video. So let us know in the comment section, are you going to join this protest or you are not going to join this protest? Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the next ŁGBT news we will get for hand today. They say IJELE, well, all of us know, we say IJELE no one use I, see Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa and other pro-Biafras. IJELE don come outside drop a video and they say in dey sick. He say they leave this video, make they use and talk small before he go come back, control the main bomb to them. I don't know who they talk to, but however, we go play the video, make you watch the state of IJELE as we dey talk right now. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back and let us know what you think about this young man, whether they call IJELE. No be small thing, my people. I beg, may you try to share this video and also make sure you are following this channel and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell for both sides so that you're going to get our update back to back as it is hot. We are here to give you ŁGBT news as it is hot.